Hey there. My name is Innerman, or Phenomenal. Either one is acceptable. Either way, I'm the creator of the Innerman Arts Channel. What is this channel all about? Well, ever since I was a kid, I always thought it would be interesting to create my own vast universe of unique characters. Shows such as Teen Titans and Static Shock were great inspirations to me. However, my drawing skills aren't where they need to be in order to create such universes. So, this channel will serve as a place to document my progress as an artist and share any tips and tricks that I learn along this journey to you, the beloved audience. What kind of content can you expect? You can expect content of me showcasing my current art skills and sharing methods that I will be using in order to improve. Why should I watch Innerman videos? I mean, why wouldn't you? All jokes aside, I believe watching these types of videos will provide you with a rather enriching experience, since it gives you the opportunity to work alongside someone else who wants to improve just as much as you do. Oftentimes, when you see the artwork of someone you admire, you may feel as if you'll never be able to measure up to their abilities. However, I think when you work along someone else who wants to improve at art, it gives you the opportunity to encourage one another and support one another in order to keep going. What is the goal of the Innerman Arts Channel? Well, the goal of this channel is to not only improve my art skills and grow the Innerman name to monumental heights in the realm of entertainment, but to provide valuable information to you, the audience, to you, the people who want to improve their artistic abilities, by me sharing with you my journey and sharing with you the methods that I will be using in order to improve. Now, if any of that sounds interesting to you, don't forget to follow us on social media platforms such as Twitter, Instagram, and Discord. Also, don't forget to support the channel by hitting the like button on videos, subscribing, and hitting the bell so you don't miss a single episode when it releases. Furthermore, don't forget to check us out on Patreon also in order to support the channel. Your decision to do any of those things will be greatly appreciated. I hope you enjoy the content that we provide. Once again, my name is Innerman, and welcome to the Innerman Arts Channel. We're good? Good? Good to go? Alright.